Theron here from Pembroke Mitsubishi, and Mitsubishi has done something big this year. The completely redesigned 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. The dynamic shield is lifted to produce a strong look of aggression, capability, and strength on the road. Underneath the hood, we have a 2.5-liter engine that can tow up to 2,000 pounds without sacrificing your fuel economy. As we move up the side of the 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander, the completely resized 20-inch alloy tires, integrated turn signals, blind spot detection, and black trimming to give this vehicle a strong and aggressive look from all angles. The 2022 Outlander truly has been completely redesigned. A wider, taller vehicle with an upgraded super all-wheel control system that is unmatched on the Canadian market. 6 driver selectable all-wheel control modes. As we go in the back here, our active liftgate gives us easy access to the 6th and 7th seat, where this wider and taller interior gives so much more room for the rear passengers. The interior of the 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander was redesigned for luxury. The premium quilted leather seats with contrast stitching and the linear crossbar design on the front dash to just show how wide this vehicle really is. The center console of our 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander has everything you need. Our super all-wheel control driver selector. The center console even has our wireless charging. Also in the redesign, the climate control. Heated front and rear seats, heated steering wheel, and 3-zone automatic climate control. So everybody in the vehicle, front or rear, can enjoy their individual comfort. The 2022 Outlander comes with a 9-inch smartphone link display, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and embedded navigation, so you always know where you are. The 22 Outlander comes with all the safety features that today's Canadian car buyer needs in their vehicle. Active lane keep assist as a part of Mitsubishi's My Pilot system will always keep you going straight in your own lane. Active blind spot assist and adaptive cruise control help that lane keep to make sure that you are safe at all times. The 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander is one of the safest and most stylish vehicles on the road, but you can't forget about our industry-leading warranty. 10-year, 160,000 kilometer powertrain warranty, 5-year, 100,000 comprehensive warranty, and a 5-year unlimited kilometer roadside assistance plan. These vehicles are built for the smart buyer. Be a smart buyer. Shop Mitsubishi at Pembroke Mitsubishi. We'll see you soon.